everyone, welcome to episode 70. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at how to thread your Cobra 5110 post machine, and then also how to wind up and load a bobbin. So let's take a look. Start by putting your thread cone on the thread stand and make sure the thread comes off freely. Insert the thread from the back to the front through the thread guide hole. Pass the thread through the guide pin. This next thread guide, you want to pass the thread through the top and wrap it around and go through the next hole from the top again until the thread has passed through all the holes. As you proceed down, the thread goes between the two tension discs, around, and then back up and will click into place with the loaded spring. Proceeding upward, pass through the large thread guide. Now go through the take-up lever from right to left and bring the thread downward. Go through a small thread guide followed by a second small thread guide. Raise the roller foot with the lever behind the machine head. You want to pivot the roller foot out of the way, and to do this, the roller foot must be in the up position. Then you can push down and swing the roller foot out of the way and proceed threading. Now go ahead and thread the small hole on the needle bar. Final step is to thread the needle, thread from left to right, and put the roller back into place. Alright, place your bobbin thread on the stand and make sure the thread comes off freely with no obstruction. Then insert the thread from back to the front through the thread guide hole. On the bobbin winder, go through the thread guide hole and then pull the thread in between the tension discs. It goes around and then the thread goes back out through the guide hole. On your bobbin, the thread goes through one of the holes from inside to outside, and then go ahead and insert the bobbin onto the bobbin winder. Push the winder lever forward to engage the wheel with the rubber belt. Don't forget to remove the thread from your needle and take-up lever before winding up your bobbin, and then raise the needle bar with the roller foot. Hold the thread end and press the foot pedal to begin the winding process. Once the winding stops, your bobbin is now wound, so let's go add it to your machine. Start by removing the side plate and lift up the arm on the hook. Place the bobbin into the hook basket and lower the arm into place. The bobbin thread goes through the tiny slot, and as you pull the thread, your bobbin should be turning counterclockwise. Hold the top thread while turning the hand wheel. The top thread will go around and pick up the bobbin thread, and you can pull it through the needle plate. Put the side plate and roller foot back into place, and you are ready to sew. Alright, that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on next week's episode. Take care.